ICSC Mathematics Class 10, Chapter 1, Exercise 1A. Question number 8. A dealer in Mumbai supplied some items at the following prices to a dealer in Delhi. Find the total amount of bill. Rate per piece in rupees, quantity, number of pieces, discount percent, SGST percent. 180 into 10, 180 rate, 10 quantity, 9% SGST. 260 rate, 20 number of pieces, 20% discount, 9% GST. 310 30 number of pieces, discount 0, 9% SGST. 175 20 number of pieces, 30% discount, 9% SGST. Answer 8. Rate of per piece in rupees, quantity, number of pieces, cost price, discount, percent, selling price. 180, 10 quantity, cost price 1800, discount 0%, selling price 1800. Rate per piece 260 rupees, 20 pieces, cost price 5200, discount 1040, discount percent 20%, selling price 5200 minus 1040 is equal to 4160. 310 rate per piece, 30 number of pieces, cost price 9300, discount 0%, selling price 9300. Rate per piece 175 rupees, 20 number of pieces, 3500 cost price, 1050 is discount, 30% discount, and 3500 minus 1050 equal to rupees 2450 the selling price. Total of the selling price is 17,710. CGST matters transaction belonging to interstate, so CGST 0, SGST 0, IGST 18% because IGST is twice of the SGST. Therefore, 18% equal to 3,187.80. Total amount of bill equal to rupees 17,710 plus rupees 3,187.80 equal to 20,897.80. National Trading Company, Meerut, UP made in the supply of the following goods or services to Samarth Traders, Noida, UP. Find the total amount of bill if the rate of GST equal to 12%. Quantity, number of pieces, MRP in rupees per piece, discount percent 20, 30, 12, 40, 225, 320, 300, 250, discount 40%, 30%, 50% and 40%. Answer 9. Quantity, number of pieces 20, 30, 12, 40, MRP in rupees per piece 225, 320, 300, 250. Cost price is 20 into 225 equal to 4,500, 3 into 320, 9,600 and 12 pieces at the rate 300 equal to 3,600. 40 number of pieces at the rate of 250 is equal to rupees 10,000. 40% discount is 1,800, then 4,500 minus 1,800 is equal to 2,700 rupees is the selling price. 30% discount of 9,600 equal to 2,880. 9,600 minus 2,880 is equal to rupees 6,720 is the selling price. 50% of the cost price 3,600 is equal to 1,800 discount, then selling price will be 1800, 1800. If the cost price 10,000 and discount 40%, 40% of 10,000 is equal to 4,000, then selling price will be 10,000 minus 4,000 equal to 6,000 rupees. Total selling price equal to 17,220. Transaction belonging to intra-state CGST equal to half of GST, that is 6% of 7 rupees 17,220 equal to rupees 1,033.20. SGST is equal to 6% of rupees 17,220 is equal to 1,033.20. IGST is equal to 0. Total amount of bill equal to rupees 17,220 plus 1,033.20 plus 1,033.20 equal to 19,286.40. That's all.